Good morning. Today we're going gold prospecting. Not mining, prospecting. Why go mining if you can't find the gold? So we're going to do what we can do to find the gold. And I'm going to try something that I don't really believe in, but I'm going to have to try to believe in, and that's dowsing. Divining, you know, dowsing with those copper rods. They say you have to believe it. I'm going to try my best. I'm not much of a believer, but I'm going to try to believe, and let's see if we can make it work and find us some gold. Yeah. I'm going to try a couple things a little bit different. I did some research, looked at some lidar maps. I identified 3 separate low pressure areas on the creek that I want to try out. Gold falls in the low pressure areas. Found some likely places where I think gold's going to be, and we're going to dig there. But we're also going to try something new, dowsing. I purchased a set of dowsing rods on Amazon. Some people swear by it, some people don't. That's when you hold those 2 copper rods in front of you, and you have to think about gold. And supposedly, the little rods close tighter. They close up, and it's like an X marks the spot. So we'll give that a try. Coffee. Gotta have coffee. Oh, pan. Coming down this way, and it hits this low pressure zone. Right about here. No, not really. Nothing. That's okay. We're going to do some dowsing. Dowsing rods. Made of brass. Or copper, excuse me, made of copper. What you're supposed to do is hold them loose in your hands and think about what you want. Like gold, for example. So I'll be focusing on gold, and we'll see if it leads it to us. That'd be kind of cool. Well, I'll have trouble believing it. You have to believe it. I'm not a big believer, so let's focus on the gold, and maybe we'll see something. Trying to fall in the water. Gold. Show me the gold. All right, steering me to the left a little bit. We'll try right here. It crossed right there. So what do you think? Is it gonna work? I hope so. All right. Make some room. Yeah, it did find some gold. Got that from dowsing, believe it or not. We're gonna do some more dowsing. Different area, let's give it a try, see if it still works. I suppose we could try right here. Seems to be like underneath this rock right here. This. So, you know, one speck. Okay. All right, done with the creek. Now I want to go up to where there's some old diggings from the old timers, where they were digging trenches. There we go. Up there's the trench. These are all the tailings. And you can see these 2 tailing piles there. There's one on the right. One on the left. You see what they really dug in there. Take this one out. And I did not find anything up here in this gold area. So I say jury is out on these. Don't know. I think I'll stick to science water dynamics and water flow. It seems to be a lot more dependable. But it was fun trying it. The dowsing rods helped me find a place where there's gold, so now I can go back with my sluice and mine that whole area and take all the gold out. So I will, you know what, I'm gonna try the dowsing rods again because, you know, it did find gold.